In this question they are talking about this token ring. Sometimes what happens is, in token ring there is a bit delay. If anywhere there is a bit delay or some delay introduced by a station or a repeater, then that bit delay is actually equivalent to some distance in meters. So what they mean to say is, okay, first let's look at the question. At a propagation speed of 200 meters per microsecond, which is nothing but 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second, they are just giving that. What is the effective length added to a ring, which means how much length is added effectively to a ring by a bit delay, which means if there is 1 bit delay at each repeater or this station. So what they mean to say is, inside a token ring, if there is a station or a repeater and if it is introducing 1 bit delay, then because of that 1 bit delay, what is the effective length that is added? That is what they are saying. So whenever any station stops a bit for some time, it is as good as saying that the bit has taken this entire length and then it came out, right? So we already discussed about this when I was talking about the minimum length of the token ring calculation. So anyway, what we wanted is, given the time in bits, we want to convert it to meters. So how can we convert it? Take the bits and convert first into seconds. How can I convert bits to seconds? Divide with bandwidth. And now take the seconds and then convert it to meters. How can we convert seconds to meters? Multiply with velocity. Therefore bits divided with bandwidth multiplied with velocity is how we are going to get the final answer in meters. Now see this, velocity is going to be 2 into 10 power 8 and bits is going to be 1 bit delay. So bit is 1 divided by bandwidth. For question A, bandwidth is given is 1 Mbps, therefore it is 10 power 6 into velocity, which is 2 into 10 power 8, which is same for both the equations. Velocity is always going to be constant, okay, and therefore we got the answer as 200 meters. So in this network, if you have 1 bit delay, it is as good as adding 200 meters of wire. So every 1 bit is going to add 200 meters of wire. If you have 10 bits, 10 stations, and each station is stopping you for 1 bit delay, it is nothing but 2000 meters, which is 2 kilometers, which is very high, isn't it? So anyway, the concept is 1 bit delay is equivalent to 200 meters in this network. So if you want to add 200 meters, just add 1 bit delay, okay. And now about this same thing, 1 bit is given, 1 divided by bandwidth is 40 Mbps multiplied by velocity, which is 5 meters, which means in this network, if I add 1 bit delay, it is as good as adding nearly 5 meters of the wire, right?